Hi, today for the INFINIX Hot 20i and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you will see the don't disturb mode section. Just to activate it, click on the switcher. If you wanna allow the calls, messages or notifications from any people's apps, alarms, you can do that. You can set also the shadow to change the duration for quick settings and to display options for hiding notifications in don't disturb mode. Let's go back. If you wanna use or turn on or turn off the haptic vibration, click here. Also, we can change here the details mode just from the smart to music, video game, or to use the equalizer or to turn it off if you want. In volume section, we can see the media, alarm, ringtones, and notifications volumes. Just to change them, we should slide to the left or to the right side these panels. To change the ringtone, notification, and alarm tones, just select one from the available sections, and after that just select the tone which you would like. To increase incoming ringtone, use the switcher, just click to turn it on or turn it off. Also, we can change here sound and vibration sections from all. We can turn it off, use the vibration, or just the silent mode. And also the vibration focus, we can change it from never to vibrate to always, then ring gradually. And in advanced options, we can turn on and turn off the dial button, screen lock, unlock sounds, charging sounds, and the touch sounds. Just to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should use these switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.